knees. I do just what I'm told. It's fun and games till I say no, the sub is in control. Who's in control? Who's in control? The sub is in control. I get down on my knees. I do just what I'm told. It's fun and games till I say no, the sub is in control. Who's in control? The sub is in control. Who's in control?
Sub is in control.
Who is in control?
Sub is in control.
I get down on my knees. I do just what I'm told. It's fun and games till I say no, the sub is in control. Who is in control? Who is in control? Who is in control? Oh, is in control. Sub is in control. Goodwoman, and as you may know already, I have an issue with chronic lateness and an overactive appetite for sex and marijuana. Speaking of marijuana, actually, if anyone out here has some marijuana, could be very helpful. You know, we don't have legal weed out here. We only have illegal weed, and we're not very good at growing it ourselves yet. That seems to be under the expertise of another industry. So if you happen to travel here from out of town, and maybe you have some good city weed, we would appreciate that here. Wonderful. Thank you so much. We got a new industry in Wonder Valley, as some of you may or may not know. It's growing weed, and well, thanks for helping set up, Kevin. I didn't exactly tell him what this fence was for, but I decided, you know, I had to make some money eventually out here, and well, there's really only two industries in Wonder Valley now that the Palms is mostly closed, and that's Airbnb, and we already have enough of those, and growing marijuana. So I sold Stagefright to a weed grow. Yeah.
Feeling a little uncomfortable with this?
Right, Kevin. You know, it's like, it's okay. We're following the protocol of everybody else. We're putting up a fence. We're going to grow it in a locked area, and it should be okay. Yeah, don't worry. It'll be under 6 plants per person. How many are here? Kevin, you might consider, you know, leaving it for the Palms. You can make $5 grand a harvest if you just water the plants. I'm just a suggestion. All right, beautiful. Can we get some of the plants? Can somebody bring? Here we go. We got some plants to bring up here. Perfect. Okay. Let's get these pots set up here.